Yeah, we're on my little Evinrude project here, and we had low compression, and it was very low, about 15. Now don't worry, I have oil in the cylinders, and we're just moving them up and down in my hand, taking a look at things. And what I did is I had oil sitting. I pushed them both down, got them about up to the right height, and I set them both in there, turned the motor up, and I put some really thin oil. Matter of fact, it was I think it was weasel piss actually, and it didn't go down overnight. It kind of surprised me for if it may have had bad rings. When I look in here, I know I got a crappy light right now, but I don't see. I see a little surface crap from sitting, but I can still see crosshatch, a little shine, and nothing sounds really scratchy. So I'm wondering, after my problem here, I looked down, and lo and behold, see if we can find a good place for this. Jeez, man. Lo and behold, I was looking at my head. Can you see it? I know, it could be just about anywhere, right? But right there, there's a big chip. It's got a crack in her. Let's see if I could zoom in a little on that. See, there may be, oh, wait a minute, something in there too. Look, does that crack come right across there? Another one back over here. But what I should do is take a look at the gasket, which I hadn't just cleaned up just real quick. And let's see how the gasket would go on here. Is just like that, I believe, if I remember correctly. So right under this corner here, I see something there. What about you? Right? Right about there in the center of the picture is where that little chip would have been. But none of it looks too good, huh? But there's a little carbon in that one. Still is. This one here, that's about what that looked like. There's a little bit there in the corner. There's a good picture of that. And look, there's another one right there, going to the outside. Now that's my water jacket you're looking in. Well, you know, I understand it's 35-year-old motor's been thrown in and out of people's cars here. Come on. Dropped on the floor, just like I just did. But, oh crap. That's going to be a little work. So, what we're doing is we're just going to try to fix this. The parts are insanely expensive to fix her up. I'm sorry. Let me get back here and show you what we're doing. We're going to get back down to normal size. There we go. We got the old long shaft yachtwin here. And yeah, this is basically a new motor, dude. But that's what I was told. Anyway, on to getting this fixed. We'll see what we can do. You know what? Do I see under magnification here, that would have been right where it is on the other side. But that gasket wasn't damaged or anything, so that... Tell you what, these iPhone cameras are pretty cool. This is the old go-to. But we're gonna take it back here. Long shot. There we go. Thanks for watching. Alright, and what we did here is, I don't know if you can see it real good, but I took a little Marine Tex in that little spot. I cleaned it out real nice with some carb cleaner, best I could, and I smeared a little Marine Tex in there. And my dad's been talking about Marine Tex for several years and what a good product it is. And I have an old tube of it. I use for a little bit of it here and there. Been using a little bit. You may have seen a little on the day 12. I did a little repairs on there. But we're going to see how it works. Tomorrow I'll put it on a piece of glass, sand it all down nice and flat, see if she holds. But actually I might do it tonight because I think it sets up pretty quick, doesn't it? But that's how I'm going to fix, or attempt to fix. Here's the old gasket again. We saw that before. This old baby over here. Now when you look in there, she doesn't look too bad. Lots of squirrely stuff though, like there's a little bit of cracking over there. I don't know if that was when they first did it or what, if somebody else did it. But I think I might get her back running. I mean, it's already got new coils, new wires, new plugs, new fuel pump, and a carburetor rebuild and new lines. And not only new lines, but a new tank and line set. Or I could be in the market for any kind of, what, 79 to, what's this, 86 or so? Kind of power head for cheap. But I think it's going to work. I'm not going to give up on her. Thanks for watching. Alright. What I found out online was they want it torqued between 60 and 80 pounds. Since I'm having compression issues, or inch pounds, between 60 and 80 inch pounds, which isn't too much really. But considering that I'm having compression issues, I'm going to go closer to 80. That's what I got the wrench set on now. And you just start in the middle here. And torquing. There you go. Now it's time to figure out if I have fixed my problem with compression. So, alright, give me a minute here to set up. So here we are. I have the gauge set up. Compression gauge, that is. Sitting on 0. Now before it was about 25 to 15, maybe 30, somewhere in there. And we're going to pull it 5 times, and we're going to see what happens. Okay. Okay, we think we got, this is the bottom cylinder, this was the bad one. We got about, let's say that's about 31, 32. Pretty fair. Okay. Now we're going to go to the top. Okay, top cylinder compression test. 0, right? We're going to pull it 5 times, just like before. See what we say. Boom, boom, boom. Almost 40, so we got about 38. That's pretty low, but it's better than it was. And they're also a lot closer. But we'll see what we can do to boost this up again. Have a nice night.